Most developers just guess which one to use. But there's a real maintenance trade-off with omit and pick that can bite you later. Pick and omit are mirror images. Pick creates a type containing only the properties you explicitly list. Omit creates a type containing everything except the properties you list. So if your source type has 10 fields and you need 9 of them, use omit. One exclusion. If you only need 2 fields out of 10, use pick. Here's the key maintenance difference. When your source type gains a new property, omit automatically includes it in the derived type. Pick doesn't. You have to add it explicitly. So pick is a whitelist. Safe but requires manual updates whenever the source evolves. Omit is a blacklist. Lower maintenance, but new fields can silently appear. Consider a user type with ID, name, email, and password. Using omit to exclude password is perfect. Any new fields like avatar are automatically included. But if a developer later adds a secret token to user, it silently appears in your public type too. That's the real risk with omit. It demands ongoing review of your source types to catch unintended exposures. Use omit when excluding a few fields, pick when keeping only a few. But with omit, always audit your source type for unintended exposures. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.